This is your pilot speaking. True, Thompson's cuteness level is officially sky high. The 4-year-old daughter of Khloe Kardashian looked all grown up as she kicked back on a private jet in a snap that Khloe shared on July 27. Naturally, family and friends took to the comment section to gush over True's adorable moment. Kylie Jenner wrote, "Cutie patati," while Stassi Karanikolaou called True a cutie girl, paired with heart eye images. Tracy Romulus added, "Be still my heart." Meanwhile, Olivia Pearson also showed True some love by writing, "Stop it with my little cutie tutu, it seems True, who Khloe shares with ex Tristan Thompson, really has grown right up, just in time to welcome her baby brother to the world." But despite True's little lady status, there is one milestone Khloe recently admitted she isn't looking forward to.